Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your IoT devices with Cisco step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your IoT devices in one location for easy access. Ensure that each device is compatible with Cisco security solutions. Update the firmware on each device to the latest version provided by the manufacturer. Access your Cisco Management Console or Cisco Security application. Log in with your administrative credentials. Navigate to the Device Management section in the console. Select the option to add a new device. Input the unique identification information for each IoT device. Set strong, unique passwords for each device during this process. Enable authentication features, including two-factor authentication where possible. Configure network segmentation to isolate IoT devices from the main network. Regulate device access through the implementation of access control lists. Deploy Cisco security solutions, such as Cisco Umbrella or Cisco Firepower, for enhanced protection. Enable logging features to monitor device activities and potential threats. Implement regular security scans to detect vulnerabilities in your IoT devices. Establish a routine for updating device firmware and software to stay secure. Conduct periodic audits of all devices connected to your network for compliance and security. Maintain documentation of your security configuration and any changes made over time. Stay informed about the latest IoT security threats and Cisco updates. Develop an incident response plan specifically for IoT device breaches. Train all team members on best practices for IoT device security. Regularly review and adjust your security protocols as technology evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.